Impact of perceived service quality on customers' repeated purchase intentions, case of the hospitality sector in Cameroon. By Dianga Silvanus Ngoeta. The study investigates the influence of perceived service quality on customers' repeated purchases in restaurants in Yaoundé, Cameroon, providing insights into the factors that drive customer loyalty in the restaurant industry. In a dynamic business environment marked by increased technological advancement that exposes consumers to a multitude of service providers, the need for continuous improvement of service quality to satisfy current consumers and create a positive brand image to attract new customers and render existing ones loyal cannot be overstated. Data was drawn through a self-administered questionnaire distributed to a sample of 71 restaurant customers in the city of Yaoundé drawn through simple random sampling. The research methodology employed multiple linear regression analysis, providing a quantitative approach to examine the relationship between service quality and customer repeated purchases. The results of the study indicate that both tangible and intangible perceived service quality dimensions have a positive and significant influence on customers' repeated purchases in restaurants in the city of Yaoundé. The findings reveal that tangibles and intangibles perceived service quality have a positive and significant influence on customers' repeated purchases, highlighting the importance of physical evidence, employee appearance, reliability, responsiveness, trustworthiness, and assurance in enhancing customer loyalty. By implication, restaurant operators to ensure increased customer loyalty should capitalize on physical evidence, employee appearance, reliability, responsiveness, trustworthiness, and assurance of client. The study suggests the inclusion of price as a dimension of service quality in future research, indicating the need for a comprehensive understanding of the factors that influence customer behavior in the restaurant context. Nevertheless, given that clients often compare the quality of services with the price, it will be necessary to add price as a new dimension of service quality in future research. Also, researchers should attempt to test this model in new fields and with a larger sample size. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.